queen.
She runs this town.
You wanna know who she is? You guys wanna know who she is?
That's my mother, coming out with mascara. I don't need no other. That's my mother, so damn quick on the scene. Maybe it's her, or maybe it's me. Coming out with mascara. I don't need no other. That's my mother, so damn quick on the scene. Maybe it's her, or maybe it's me. Maybe it's you.
I'm drawing mine here. And we're going to put it into the corner of the eye and we're just going to pull it out.
Also think full eyeliner like this just doesn't work for your eyes. Let me show you how I got it to work for me, because there, this is what the top. Before we even break out the black, let's add some light dimension to our eyes to support the liner. I'm taking my contour shade into my crease all the way up to my brow bone, and then I'm pinching my brush to place that contour in this little pocket underneath my eyes. This is called Aegyo Sal. It's one of my favorite makeup tricks. Creating that rounded dimension to your eye helps to prevent that two-dimensional look that full eyeliner can sometimes give. Then I'm going in with my blush shade in those same areas. This will add so much life to your eyes and also help them recede a little bit so the liner doesn't look so out of place. Okay, now taking the eyeliner, I'm starting with a pencil first to sketch out my wing. Not sponsored, but I do love this Kozas one. Makeup's going to move throughout the day no matter what. This one fades throughout the day. It doesn't smudge throughout the day. I'm creating a wing by taking my liner following the natural angle of my outer corner about 1 centimeter out first. Then I'm angling the wing up to meet the height of where the wing will eventually stop. This will make sense in a second. I'm taking this in a straight line into the lash line, only going about 1/4 of the way in. If you took your wing to the right height, you should naturally run into this stopping point. This is where the magic comes in. I'm taking a thin angled brush into this black liquid eyeshadow, and we're gonna tight line. Starting at my inner corner, I'm gonna stamp underneath my lashes. Looking down into the left will help with any tickles. Then we're gonna skip the middle part of our eye and finish by tight lining the outer fourth. Putting the eyeliner underneath the lashes instead of on your actual lid still adds definition to your eye without being overpowering, and skipping the middle of your eye will create an elongated effect. Instead of closing in the eye, finish with mascara and voila! Gorgeous eyes. See how with just some minor tweaks you discovered that you can do that eye look, just slightly accommodated to fit you. Let me know if you guys try it and let me know if you like it.
You can't tell me that it's so easy to do the inner corners. We're gonna try this. It just took me less than 2 seconds to do both of my inner corners. I mean, I'm gonna be using this hack all the time now.
2, 3.
I'm scared. 1, 2, 3. Too bad, bro. 1, 2, 3. The fact that they're even too, sorcery. I like it. Works. That was really cool. But the burning question is, does it work? I've generally steered clear of the tape hack because I normally do my base first, and putting tape over a base is a mess. Like, you do not want to do that. But it actually totally makes sense to switch it up and do it this way. I can avoid eyeshadow fallout, and it also saves me time to not clean up my eyeshadow with concealer afterwards. Does that look even, or do I look crazy? Her application looked a bit messy, so I'm just gonna kind of go ham. Let's take some black. Smudge that on. Wait, this might be really quick. Okay, second shade. Fluffier brush. Blend that on top of this shade. The big reveal. Oh my god. I feel like I'm unwrapping a gift. That is snatched. This tape is about to become my new makeup BFF. Let me know if you have any other fun hacks I should try in the comments below. Sorry, but you should know how to do your eyeliner by now. You're gonna need an eyeshadow palette with a black and a brown, flat brush and a fluffy brush, and you're gonna need anything with a flat edge, a business card, a license. It doesn't matter, just know it might get a little dirty. The flat edge is going to be your marker for where your eyeliner is going to go. So if you want your eyeliner straight, you're going to put the flat part straight. If you want it a little curved upwards, you're gonna angle it upwards. Next, with your flat brush, you're gonna dab in the black eyeshadow and go ahead and start swiping along the card and then along your eyeshadow line. Then with a brown eyeshadow and a fluffy brush, blend out that harsh black line. Just blend it so it gets a little diffused. Remove the card and you should have a snatched eye. And